Can I cancel a pending payment on Cash App?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about a question that many users of the popular digital payment app, Cash App, often ask: can I cancel a pending payment on Cash App? Stick around as we walk you through the process step by step, making it easy to manage your transactions with confidence.
Can you cancel a pending payment on Cash App?
The answer to this question is yes, you can cancel a pending payment on Cash App, but it depends on the status of the payment. If the payment is still in the pending state, you have a chance to cancel it. However, if the payment has been completed, it cannot be canceled. Let's dive into how you can do this.
How to know if a payment is pending?
Before attempting to cancel, first, you need to determine if your payment is pending. To do this, 1. Open Cash App. 2. Click on the Activity tab, represented by a clock icon. 3. Look for the payment in question. If it's listed as pending, you can attempt to cancel it.
How to cancel a pending payment?
So, how can you cancel a pending payment? Here are the steps. 1. While in the Activity tab, click on the payment you want to cancel. 2. A screen detailing the transaction will appear. If there's a Cancel option, click on it. 3. You'll then see a confirmation message. Confirm to cancel the transaction. Note: if you don't see the Cancel option, it means the payment is no longer in the pending state and unfortunately can't be canceled.
What if I can't cancel the payment?
If the payment is completed and you can't cancel it, but you still want your money back, you can send a refund request to the recipient. To do this, 1. Click on the payment in the Activity tab. 2. Tap on the 3 dots in the top right corner. 3. Select Refund, then Confirm. Remember, this will only send a request to the person who received the money. It's up to them to approve or deny your request. That's how you can potentially cancel a pending payment on Cash App. We hope this video has been helpful. Remember, if a payment is still pending, you have a chance to cancel. But once the payment has been completed, you'll need to request a refund from the recipient. Thanks for watching, and have a great day managing your digital finances.